I don't think we would have gotten to this very focused place and kind of pushed each other to be ambitious and to really prioritize digital in the way that we have through the table stakes program. It's absolutely worth the investment.
Even if you go to conferences, you don't often see publishers at the same conferences as producers or editors, and you get a really good cut of each organization here, and to just kind of cross-pollinate ideas in that way is fascinating and hugely productive.
The number one takeaway is that there's hope, that there is a future, that there are sustainable models, sustainable strategies to grow our businesses.
We have a shared vision now across all departments that we didn't necessarily have a year ago, 2 years ago, and it's such a radical change in how we operate and how we think about what goals are we setting, how does what every person does at every level of the organization contribute to that overall goal.
You have to invest in yourselves. You have to believe in yourselves, you have to promote yourselves, and that's one of the things, the takeaways that you get from table stakes as well, is that if you're not going to advocate for yourself, then who will?